Welcome to DrSister's straw set tutorial. These are the products you will need. First, comb the hair through with a fine-tooth comb. Apply the wrap lotion. Apply the curly cream from root to ends. Allow the ends of your hair to wrap around the straw in a spiral form. Roll it all the way up. Apply a bobby pin to seal the ends. Keep rolling. Bend the straw so you don't cut your hair and clip the ends. Apply a bobby pin to seal the curl. Be sure to seal the bobby pin as tightly to your scalp as possible, and there you're all done. The next morning or after your curls are dry, you'll remove the top bobby pin, the lower bobby pin, and pull the straw from the top, and voila, a little curl. Now you'll separate the curls starting from the roots of your hair, pull them apart, and there, perfect curls. Oh yeah. But now you gotta do the rest of your head. I know. Okay, it's looking kind of nice, No. We need some oil sheen to get these curls popping. Continue separating each curl from root to tip and do this all over your entire head. And now this is the finished product of your protective styling, straw set, natural hairstyle. So enjoy your curls, enjoy yourself, enjoy your life, boo. This has been another tutorial with DrSister. Until next time, follow me on YouTube and IG.